What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and in this video I'll be going over a new paper trading app, and the name of this app is actually called Trading Game. And basically they contacted me and said, hey, would you like to do a promotion of our app on your channel? And I said sure, and I actually checked out the app, and honestly it's one of the better paper trading just overall apps websites I've found out there so far. And overall it's like really solid. It does what it's supposed to do, and it has a lot of additional features that I really haven't seen before from just a paper trading platform. And it's also all in app form and super easy to use, works well on my phone, which is nice as well. So in the past I have used a handful of paper trading platforms. Some, like, basically for the most part they've just been really crappy websites that didn't actually work very well, and like they would kind of allow you to trade a little bit, and they were like not very flexible in what they allowed you to do, and overall just like kind of allowed you to trade like basic stocks, or even in some cases made up companies or things of that nature. But this is actually one of the first ones I've found so far that allows you to paper trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, options, Forex, as well as pretty much anything else you could think of. And it also gives you like educational content and investing tips, which I think is super helpful as well, because honestly if you're trying to get into like day trading or just investing in the stock market overall, a lot of people start first with trying to do some paper trades. And yes, you could like literally write it on a piece of paper and do it yourself, but in 2019 I don't really think that's the best way to go about it. So this app overall is really great to use, and I'm going to be going over the app, some things I like about it, some things I don't like about it, and overall what I think about it. And also, if you're interested in downloading it, the links to that will be in the description. But anyways, I'm going to open up the app, and it should be up right about now, probably over here somewhere. And if I go over to the app over here, so there's basically 4 categories to this: learn, trade, and then some brokers that they recommend. And one thing that I like about this that actually makes it quite different than other paper trading apps out there is actually the learn segment of it. So this one is actually somewhat heavily based on Forex trading, which if you're into that, that's fine. I personally don't trade it, but they actually do allow you to trade other things as well as what I normally invest in, which are stocks, which I actually think is super cool as well, just allowing you to trade in so many different things. So anyway, if you go to the learn thing here, it has Forex Trading School, a 40-minute turbo course, and then Forex University, unlock great features. And as you can see, like I did the first one here for Forex, and it says collected, and as you go through the courses you actually get more money to trade with. So rather than just like allowing you to set an exact, like just say you want to trade with $100,000 or something like that and just type that in, this app actually requires you to go through different courses in order to unlock more money to trade. Now obviously this money's fake, it's just simply in the app, but I think this is like a super interesting and kind of like innovative feature to have on here, because most people when they just start trading, like especially when they're doing paper trading, like if they go to some random crappy website and do it, they'll just like type in $100,000 and then just start doing it back and forth like crazy and just keep adding money you know, whenever they feel like, or if they lose money. So it really doesn't help too much. But I think this is actually like a super good way and super smart way to introduce paper trading of anything, whether you're doing Forex, penny stocks, cryptocurrencies, whatever it might be. The next part of it is actually the trading portion of it. So once again, if I like scroll through them up here, like you can do a lot of different Forex ones, like Euro, USD. You can also do Bitcoin cryptocurrencies, which is pretty interesting. I really haven't seen, I know cryptocurrencies are relatively new in the past couple of years or so in terms of being super popular, but I really haven't seen too many websites or paper trading platforms allowing you to day trade or paper trade cryptocurrencies like that. So that's kind of interesting. You can do oil, but we're not, you know, Ricky Guertez over here. You can do gold as well as some other Forexes, and they even have some like some of the other cryptocurrencies, like I don't even know how to pronounce this name, but anyways, the coolest feature I think they have as well is the ability to day trade stocks. So they have some big ones like Google, Apple, Tesla, Nike, and kind of some other big ones as well. So when you're actually day trading on this app or paper trading, I did it a couple times with a couple different stocks, and like so far it worked pretty well. I didn't have any problems with it or anything like that. And overall it was relatively easy to use. It's in like a generally clean format, so it's not very like difficult to do anything as well. And overall it was pretty solid. So another feature they have on the home screen here as well is like sort of like a quiz thing. So once again, this involves you trying to learn more about trading and the stock market and Forex and cryptocurrencies and things like that. And they also actually give you money for doing so. So that's kind of cool as well. And once again, this is not real money. This is just money in the in-game currency right here. So overall, I really like this a lot. I really like the lessons. I really like the ability to paper trade different kinds of currencies as well as stocks and options and cryptocurrencies and things of that nature. I really like the trade thing, and they also have different options where you can like battle against your friends and compete and trade against your friends. I think if you just simply like sign up to Facebook, like I signed up with Facebook on my thing right here as well. So like I actually recently signed up on it. So so far it's been going very good. So if actually you want to battle me, definitely like leave a comment in the description to your Facebook or like share a link or something like that, and I could add you if you want to battle on this app. Even though I don't do very much day trading, I think it actually would be kind of fun to do day trading in this manner where it's like totally safe and you're not actually losing any actual money and you're just doing it for fun, more or less. But other than that, a couple new features they said they're adding to the app is they're adding daily investing tips for app users, as well as just overall more lessons and just adding more information to the app, which I think is super cool. So overall, the only possible con about this app, I guess I could say, is just to simply add more features and to simply add more lessons, as well as more, I guess, like options for you to trade. Even though they have most of them in there, you really probably wouldn't have to use too many more. But either way, adding more things like that would be a great feature or addition to the app. But overall, so far, the things that they do have on the app are actually doing pretty well, and I like them overall quite a bit. But other than that, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely leave a like and comment below if you do end up downloading this app and you do end up using it. And once again, this app is totally free. All the links will be in the description on where to download the app and get more information if you're wondering about that as well. But